Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola smartphone. Firstly, you need to access device's settings. Now scroll all the way down, remiss click and choose System. After that, you need to tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and lastly Gboard. Finally, go into Theme. Now you can scroll down and choose Show More. This way you can see all the available ones. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Manage key borders by clicking on this switcher and finally select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right over here. When you're ready, click on Done, manage key borders by clicking on this switcher and finally select Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!